Hello everybody, this is Mandarin Chinese Easy, and today we're going to teach you how to speak family in Chinese. You're going to tell me how many members in your family and what they do. Now, here we go. Bob, how many members in your family? 波波，你家有几口人？波波，你家有几口人？ There are three members, Dad, Mom, and I. 有三口人，爸爸妈妈和我。有三口人，爸爸妈妈和我。What does your father do? 你爸爸是做什么的？你爸爸是做什么的？ Now here you may find that in English you can say dad or your father, but those words means 爸爸。Okay, next one. And he is a professor. 他是位教授。他是位教授。教授 means teacher or professor. 他是位教授。What does your mom do? 那你妈妈是干什么工作的呢？那你的妈妈是干什么工作的呢？工作 means job or you do. Okay, 那你妈妈是干什么工作的呢？ She is an author. I love my parents. 她是位作家。我非常爱我的父母。Now, everybody, this is today's lesson. Now, here we're going to make small practice. Okay, now here we go. 波波，你家有几口人？
有三口人，爸爸妈妈和我。
你爸爸是做什么的？
他是位教授。
那你妈妈是干什么工作的呢？
他是位作家。我非常爱我的父母。
Okay, everybody, thank you for listening. This is today's lesson. Now follow me. You will find it's very easy and funny to learn Chinese. Now, this is today's lesson. I will see you tomorrow. Bye bye.